CSS is one of the biggest Swiss health insurers with about 1.6 million customers. The market is extremely competitive, and so we need to have a clear idea of what the effect of changing various premium parameters might be. First of all, I should mention that we have a non-standard solution. We employ Tagetik as a projection solution to create forecasts for the current and the following year. We try to forecast the development of the market, the customer base, the healthcare costs and other components. Just having an internal solution and doing it all like in R or in Excel would have had large IT costs, and so that is why we decided to go with Tagetik, and also due to the high performance database. What we needed was an end-to-end calculation showing the outcome of a change in premiums, for example. We needed one solution linking the various parts of pricing process under the responsibility of different teams at CSS still in one automatic workflow. The very first and early win was to reflect on the business. What are the relevant parameters? What drives the development of the customer base? Or the increase, yes, unfortunately it is usually an increase of the healthcare costs. We had to improve our understanding of the business and reflect on basically every aspect. The most recent really big gain was the implementation of consecutive runs. Today we are able to define various sets of parameters and drivers for every submodule. Then we can easily link the different versions of the submodules with one another. The calculation, for example, of 5 such scenarios through all the submodules takes about 1 to 1.5 hours. Doing this manually with other tools or run by run with Tagetik would have taken at least a day. So this is a huge jump in efficiency. Moreover, what we are able to do now is calculating various scenarios in a simple fashion. In the past, when manual links were involved, we had to ask and involve all people who were responsible for a certain tool to support us with a certain scenario. Today, since every submodule is directly linked to the results of the other submodules, one of us alone can handle the whole solution and create insights. We are now able to calculate large numbers of scenarios from one consistent forecasting solution. So we increase the forecasting capabilities a lot and have across teams a common basis for discussion. Second, we can improve precision of calculations and estimates by plausibility checks. Assuming that someone does not have a consistent solution in place at the moment, do not underestimate the frictional cost from having various models linked manually and owned by different teams. Moreover, a consistent framework over all the various elements forces your employees to get into the details together. We had a huge jump concerning understanding what the other teams do and understanding their business need, what helps us almost every day.